In today's video, I will show you a new trick on how to activate golden notes effect on Instagram. So if you want to share your Instagram notes with golden effect, then this video is for you. And if you find this guide useful, then consider giving a thumbs up and subscribe for more tricks and tips. So without further ado, let's begin. So now for you to activate the golden effect on your Instagram notes, there are some requirements you need to follow for that golden effect to be effective. You need to add these keywords or emojis in your sentence when creating your Instagram notes. So these keywords include victory, gold, Olympian, medal, podium, Olympics, closing ceremony, and goat. And the emojis include the goat emoji, gold medal emoji, and the medal emoji. So guys, let's try out to add the golden effect on our Instagram notes. So now you need to open your Instagram application. So now after opening, now click on the message icon here at the top right corner. Now select notes. So now you need to create a sentence using those keywords that I shared earlier. So I'll type Kenya got 4 medals at the Olympics. Then click on share. As you can see, I have the golden effect on my notes. I'll create another one. Olympics ended with closing ceremony. Then click on share. As you can see, I've gotten the golden effect on my note. So I'll create the last one. USA won the most medals 2024. Then click on share. As you can see, I also get the gold effect on my notes. So now let's try out using the emojis. So go to notes once more. Now create a sentence like Eliud Kipchoge is the Kenyan goat. Now add an emoji of the goat here. Search for the goat. Then click on share. As you can see, I also get the golden effect on my note. So guys, with those few examples, you can have the golden effect on your Instagram notes. So I hope you find this guide useful, and if you do, consider giving a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications bell for more tricks and tips. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay safe.